Welcome to day 14 of the 30-day challenge with Lovingly Yours English. How's it going? You know, we have completed 2 weeks of learning English. And we have also finished 2 weeks in our journey towards becoming friends with English. So what's on day 14? What do we have? You know what do we have? Let's join the session. Now this 14th day has been marked by Friends of English program as the evaluation day. Okay, so we are going to do something special on day 14. Now, in the last 13 sessions, what did we cover? Do you remember? You can go back to all the 13 videos and check what did we do. I know you're all brilliant viewers, so you remember that. The first week we spent learning pronunciation, and along with that we've also learned little of stress with one paragraph on mother. Then we had a paragraph on friend. We also had a paragraph on COVID-19, a small experience in life, and Ramadan. So we've got 5 paragraphs in the last 2 weeks. Apart from that, we have also touched the family of nouns, the building blocks of language. Yes. So we've touched upon nouns, pronouns, adjectives, determiners, and articles. These 5. So we've done good stuff, in the last 13 sessions. Now today's session is evaluation. I have 2 tasks for all of you, and I want all of you to sincerely check on all these 14 or 13 videos. Go back, revise yourselves, and do this writing task. For the first writing task, as I've already told that we have already done 5 passages, 5 paragraphs almost. Now I want you to just give it a reading, another reading, okay, and then try writing a paragraph on your own, right? On your own. Check for the word map. Please make a word map actually. Take the help of Google. Whichever word you do not know, please check for synonyms or meanings on Google, and then try writing a better paragraph. Okay, that's your first task. Any topic of your choice. You can also write on mother, you can write on your friend, on COVID-19, or just for a change, write it on your experience during lockdown. Yes. Please do write and send the paragraphs to the mail ID mentioned in the description box. Okay, that's your task number 1 for the day, right? The second task for day 14. Please look at your screen. A slide is just coming to you. Great minds think alike. Give a man a fish, he eats for a day. Teach a man how to fish, he eats for a lifetime. If you are not part of the solution, you are part of the problem. Never put off until tomorrow what you can do today. Rome wasn't built in a day. Those were 5 quotations which I had handpicked for all of you from a list of famous quotations. Now I want you to read them, reread them, read them aloud, okay? Read them until you understand the meaning and the meaning gets absorbed into you. And if you have difficulty in understanding the quotations, please check for the meanings of particular words into your dictionary, or your Google guru is always there, okay? So take the help of dictionary and Google, check for the meanings of the words, and then put the meanings together, find out what is the meaning of the quotation. Simple as that, right? We can do that much work. Now that is not the task. So the actual task is, I want you to play with these proverbs, these quotations. And how do we play? You already have nouns, adjectives, determiners, pronouns, and articles. Try replacing them. Now first of all, what you need to do is check for the meanings of the quotations. Now each word, I think all the words in the quotations are very simple ones. Just check Even if you have difficulty, just check it, take the help of the dictionary or Google, check for the meanings and put the meanings together, and that's all. And as you read again and again, you will get the meaning into you. Now what you need to do is try changing the words and see how you can make it more inspiring, right? You're going to be creators of the next famous proverbs. So that's the task for day 14, the second task for day 14, right? Playing with the proverbs and creating better one, or maybe another kind of quotations, right? And also please find out who are the creators of these quotations. Okay, that's a subtask under the second task. So your task 1 and task 2, put it together and mail it to me on the email ID mentioned in the description box. It's there. Okay, I would love to see the creators or innovators or original thinkers. Yes, you're just playing with them. We're all doing it throughout our life. We are playing with things that whatever we get on our way as we go ahead. So that's fine. So please play and send it to me on my email ID. I would love to be part of this creative team, right? Wisely and slow, they stumble that run fast. Famous quotation from William Shakespeare, father of English language. At Lovingly Yours English 30-day challenge, our focus is also something similar to that. We just do not want to just keep running and covering whatever under the sun we can give to you in understanding English. No, that's not what we want, because we are looking at becoming friends with English. And becoming friends, how do we get long-standing friendship? We must have strong foundation. And any foundation that is done with love and sincerity takes us into a long, beautiful journey of togetherness. That is our focus. When I was in school, during the grammar classes, after a few classes, we used to switch off. Everything used to go beyond us. I don't want to switch all of you off, my wonderful, terrific viewers. Okay? Once you do this activity, you'll be so happy. You're going to reconstruct something somebody already has constructed. And it's a joy. I know that. We all love, redoing something that already somebody has done and get enjoyment. Once you finish this activity, see how happy you will be. You'll be more creative because you're going to do something better than what is already there. Okay, you're just testing yourself, becoming more creative, innovative. You're going to meet somebody new in you. I know that, and it will be a fantastic task. Please don't forget to mail it to me. Okay, so until I see you in my next video, please be safe and stay home and be calm. Okay, thank you.